Have you ever dreamt of living in a jungle but with Wi-Fi, a bonfire and a fresh farm breakfast? Well, welcome to the dream. This is Cove by Raho in Coorg. And today we are taking you inside a place which is more than a stay. It's an experience. But before we take you inside, let me introduce you to the star of our trip, IC, who will lead us to our stay. And behind the camera is Sumit, my husband, who will tell you about what Raho is and about the other two properties which are inside. You can see on the board we have Cove, where we are staying at, then we have Annexure, and then we have Tool House. So come along. So come on in, and here is our in front car parking or small garage. So once you enter, you get a magical room. This is the room because of which we booked this property. This is a one bedroom. Here you have two beds. You have one single one and one double bed, along with your AC, air condition. You have your fan. This fan is operated by what fan you were telling?
This is Atomberg, which is they have a remote control and a lot of other features that you can use.
You have light as well. This light is not working, but that side is working.
Yep.
It's a pretty good bed. You wake up to the sound of nature, and like when you're lying down there, you get to see that forest from
amazing
the
view.
Yes. Then
Show you that.
yes. And you have your study table here, and there the lamp was working for 2 days. Then I think because of power voltage it went down. And we have kept IC bed here. This is a travel bed. If you want the link, we'll give you the link as well. So in the car you can just hang it on the back seat or the seat of the car. It becomes the travel bed, also the bed.
It has his name as well on it.
Yes, IC name is also there. We ordered it from Postmate. And then you have your dining table, which is very efficient table for the room, and it we really felt good having the meals here. Then you have your mini fridge here. Next to mini fridge you have your shoe rack, or you can use it to hold any other items.
There's umbrella rack as well.
Yes, in the fridge we didn't get much items. There was nothing actually, but you can order drinks and can keep it here. You have two dustbin as well for wet and dry waste. You have your coffee machine, and the instructions are given here. At the there was the instruction manual. Here is the instruction manual which has been given. And then you have your tissue paper there. You have your coffee, the other some
other condiments that you can use, like tea, sugar and all that stuff.
Then you have your kettle here. There's a one point. So here some issue is there. If you put 2, 3 or
higher, you will see a little bit of fluctuation.
Yes.
So this is they have power and they have backup as well. Some points are powered by backup, some points are powered by actual current. So geyser and other things.
You see some voltage issue here.
Okay.
This light here. Then you can use this storage. They give you 2 cups, 2 water glasses as well, which we utilized it. You have water.
This container
as well, water filter. Then you have this your mini
storage area,
mini locker where they give you some hanger as well, which doesn't fit properly, but it does the job. And then you can keep your luggage this side. Then we'll show you the washroom, how it is. It's a spacious washroom.
You'll see me in the mirror.
Yeah, you'll see Sumit in the mirror. My items are there on the shelves. So you get your hand wash, your toothbrush and toothpaste, and here is the washing area where again the shower is pretty good.
Yeah.
And you get your shower gel and shampoo, so you do not need to bring that. But windows are here, but you cannot open it because it attracts insects and other things. We had one incident. The one big spider came from there, so we had to request the caretaker to close it, because of which ventilation is not quite good here. But
we killed the spider.
We kill the spider, but and we keep the door open
We can
so
show
that
you
there
the
will be some
carcasses.
ventilation. Yeah, the spider is here too.
Give me a minute. I'll have to check where is IC.
Okay, so now we'll show you the outer area. So this is where we took the video at the starting. IC is there. We found IC. IC really enjoys going.
IC, what are you
Here
doing
they-
there? So about Raho, Raho was founded by 3 people. They wanted to curate modern experiences in suburban environment. So they have a bunch of properties in Coorg, and they're opening up new properties in Ooty. Over here in this estate, there are total 3 properties. The one which we have shown you where we are staying is called Cove or Cave. It has a cave-esque
It's like a little
environment.
cave.
Yeah, it's like a little cave. We have got a very good view up front.
Yeah.
We'll show you that. There are other 2 properties as well. So this is more. This is a 3-bed property. 3-bed in the sense there's 1 double bed and there's 1 single bed. You can bring your pets and other things over here. But there are 2 other properties that they have on, or 2 other houses that they have on this property. There's one called Annexure. Annexure is like a family villa kind of thing. It has a small garden in front of it, and all of them have fireplaces. It has 2 bedrooms, and
It's really beautiful.
yeah, if you're planning to bring your family, that's a better option. You can have more people stay over there. There's another one which is actually a couple of properties. They're similar to each other. They're called tool houses. They are very unique. They are duplexes, and they also have, I think, 3 or 4 bedrooms in each of them. They're adjacent to each other. So if you're traveling with your close friends with whom you may not want to share a house, but you still want to stay nearby, that's something that you can.
We actually initially booked that property, but
Yeah.
then it was too big for us.
Yeah,
So we
yeah.
opted for Cove.
So we're just 2 of us, so we thought taking both of those was a lot more effort, and this sounded more adventurous. So talking about pricing for Cove, it costed us about 5,400. We got it on Airbnb. So per night 5,400, and we are here for 6 nights. So
You can book it through website as well.
yeah, you can book it through their website as well. This tariff includes complimentary breakfast as well, which is very nice. So yeah.
So about food, as Sumit told, that we have complimentary breakfast and it is farm fresh. This is what they say, and it's really very tasty. Even the eggs are tasty here, and the chicken as well. And then we have lunch and dinner menu. They have an app actually where they give us 2 links, whichever links works fine for you. There 3 kitchens are there, plus their in-house kitchen. In in-house kitchen they have emergency food like Maggi, chapati also is
Chapati
there,
is also
boiled
there,
egg,
yeah, boiled
Maggi,
egg.
other things are there, smileys, fries. And in in-house kitchen main meals are there. For example, local chicken, pepper chicken, paneer dishes are also there.
Chana,
Very tasty,
yeah,
chana
we went.
dish, very tasty
Pretty
dishes
good.
are there.
Yeah.
And you can order from single kitchen, or you can order from multiple kitchen at
Yeah.
the same time.
They will
There-
aggregate.
Yes,
Yeah.
and for pets also there is separate menu. There are 3-4 dishes,
Yeah.
and I see also enjoyed.
I see, loved it.
Loved it. The quantity is also really
Very nice,
very nice, very huge. So that was about food. The food is really great. We will definitely recommend it.
Yep.
We were actually worried when we were coming here that there will be no food. We got so many ready to eat,
Yeah.
and we have not opened
Even
single
one.
packet.
Yeah.
And they provide you the barbecue option as well. And in
Yeah.
barbecue, they get you marinated chicken,
Hmm.
which you can enjoy as well.
Yeah. Food is overall great. Yeah.
Yes, and beverage option is also there. You can
Yeah,
get Coke, you
yeah.
can get pineapple, no alcohol. What other things are there?
So the market is pretty far away, and I think this is what they have done very well at this property. You don't feel like you are in a very remote place. You get most of the amenities very quickly in this place. Yeah. So talking about activities, there are a bunch of activities that you can enjoy over here. There is, and you can all, as Nikita said, along with the food, you can also book activities via their website, which is very nice. There's no hassle. Everything is via online. You might have to book a few things a day before, but they have a bunch of things like coffee estate tours. There is a tour to a river where you get riverside coffee. It's pretty nice. They take you to the Kaveri river. It's very good. The flow is very good. It's a little bit muddy right now, but still the trek is pretty nice.
It was really good.
Yeah. It was pretty adventurous as well.
And we took icy in our bag.
You may see that footage.
We put it in the video.
Yeah.
And we had the coffee by the river.
Yeah.
It looks very, exotic that we'll have the coffee by the river. And suddenly they gave us the flask.
We were not expecting that, so that was nice. Apart from that, there are a bunch of outdoor activities that you can engage in. There is badminton. So they provide you with the shuttlecock and the rackets as well for it. There's plenty of open space where you can play it. There is no dedicated badminton area like that, but you can use your imagination for the net and rest of the guardrails and play it. It's pretty nice. It's fun.
Icy really helped us.
He did not let us play badminton. Yeah, he was just taking away our shuttlecock and running everywhere. So that was good. Apart from that, they have carom. You just have to book it on their app or ask the caretaker. They will fetch all those things for you. They also have cycling, which is good. The cycles are a little bit not in the best condition. Yeah, so you'll have to make do with it. And
helmets are there.
They give you helmets as well, which is nice. But there is again a lot of space to ride on your cycle, especially if on a good sunny day like it is today. It's a lot of fun. You can walk around the estate, have a lot of good time. Apart from that, I think there is two special activities which I forgot to talk: bonfire and barbecue. I think Nikita talked a little bit about barbecue. So this is not your barbecue nation barbecue. This is barbecue in the jungle. And
deep night.
Yeah, so you can they actually get a barbecue tray with coal on it, and they get you a couple like two variants of chicken.
2 days, right?
Yeah.
The coal.
Yeah. The bonfire we did burnt or at least smoke came till 2 days. You can also do bonfire as well. Apart from barbecue, these are two different activities. We did both of them. But check the weather before doing the bonfire because it rains a lot over here, being Coorg. So you may have it may rain. Your bonfire may not be that fun, but on a good day, it's a lot of fun. They have a pit everywhere, and it's pretty nice.
They have carom and
we talked about carom as well. Okay. There's carom and badminton that you can play.
And coffee too.
Yeah.
And we can order souvenirs as well.
Yes. There's one more thing. Their website have a lot of these souvenirs which they source either from their farm or nearby farms. You can get coffee beans, ground coffee.
Arabia, what did they
say? Arabica, and I don't remember the other one. So we forgot about the coffee tour itself. So during the coffee tour, they told us about the two kinds of bean, Arabica and I don't remember the other one. They are mixed in certain proportions because of their different characteristics. Arabica is, I think, more
Robusta.
Yeah, Arabica and Robusta. Yes, that's right. So Arabica is the smell, flavor, those kind of thing, and Robusta is the bitter part of it. They do a mix on it. I also learned about chicory. Chicory is just a flavoring agent that's being added. So it's not really coffee. So we learned a lot about coffee. We forgot a lot about it. But it's very nice. Over here, where the Cove is, these plants are all Arabica plants. So it's pretty nice. You get, there are different harvest seasons. So right now is not harvest season, so you don't experience any smell or good coffee bean smell, but
And this is the area where we showed you, or where we started the video. You feel calm, you feel peaceful here. I'll just pause for a moment and let you listen to the sound of nature. This is how your mind will be once you're here. Coorg gave us peace, coffee, and memories. This stay just tied it all together. More journeys ahead, so subscribe and do not miss them. Let's keep exploring together.